Hello and welcome. This is Roy. This time I'm showing you a brief clip focusing on the bonds market that is taken from 71 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. The long video is covering many markets and you will see me introducing them. The long video is offering detailed explanation and actually focusing on some excellent opportunities that you can take advantage of right from the starting of this trading week. We're talking about Monday, and I don't need to tell you that markets are looking very shaky, and I'm offering some excellent broad review of so many related markets that I think we are bound to get on to the right side with this analysis. And if you are interested in my service, please stay on after the clips end. I'll be talking to you again. Other than that, I wish you have pleasant viewing and have great trading week. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I have a lot of charts in this video, and I think we are entering a pretty dynamic and possibly panicky period, notably in the stock market. And I'll be going through all the charts in great detail to try to highlight which markets I think are presenting the best opportunities and how it affects the rest of the markets. I've got here the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the US dollar Czech koruna, Australian dollar US dollar, euro Japanese yen, gold, silver, light crude, Brent crude, the Eurobund, TYX, the VIX, the Dow transportation average, the S&P 500, the S&P 400, the Nasdaq 100. Extremely important chart, basically the most important chart in the whole video is the Nasdaq chart. The Russell 2000, the DAX, CAC 40 of France, Italy's MIP, the Russian RTS index cash, the Hang Seng cash index. And that will terminate the video. The Eurobund. I just want to have a look here at the long-term chart and share with you some thoughts. I don't have very specific wave count for you for the short term, but it is pretty evident that if we go for some weakness in the stock market, something that held for such a long time is likely to continue to hold. That's how you take it until it changes, yes? So for now the formula is stocks down, bonds up, or at least stay fairly firm. This is the monthly going back ages. We have here one channel, major channel covering the price action for decades, and then we have another channel coming up from here in the last since mid 2008. The price is hovering just outside the major channel. It is it is inside sorry, it is inside our recent channel. The wave count is calling for it to come down in a big manner, but nothing is going on. Basically nothing is going on. It is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months above major support here. Had an intra-month break, but it's still holding. No signal, and we can go around and round and round with this thing for at least a year. You know, this could happen. It could go around for 1 year. If you are too keen on trading just this market, you could be frustrated, to say the least. If you are involved in it because of your profession, I think this is a transition time. I can't see that this market has a huge bull market ahead of it. I think it is more likely like it's building up a top. That's the way I tend to take it. But for now, this is the continuous contract of the Eurobund. No signal here. I took this as a 1-2. Thought we had enough of the searching for the top. See, it's beginning to come down. At some point it really looked like we are going for it with a break here, but no, there is no signal, and for now I would just avoid this market. Okay, that's the TYX. For those who are interested in the bonds, and specifically the US T-Mode, they must have followed and seen some of the long-term analysis that I have presented concerning this market, and I'll just go briefly here on the weekly. We have major divergence here. major divergence, and you can see that in the case of the bonds, both the Eurobund and the USD bond, we had ample support from the MACD for a major change in trend, but the pattern is still dragging its feet. So no need to jump the gun here. For now, you can see that we have a solid line coming down here. No pop above. No pop above. Just try to recall markets that we have covered recently where we had a serious pop above that, and the market seems to be get on its way for a bullish run. If you don't remember, let me remind you. Remember the Italian market? We're going to see it further on. Remember the Italian market? You remember the Greek market? Those markets had also some stiff resistance from descending lines on weekly, monthly scale, and they managed to pop over that. Yes, and now they're looking, the bull there looks pretty healthy. But here, we don't have anything like that. We have the MACD, sure enough, but the pattern is not there. Let's have a look now at the daily. Now I would like to suggest the following. This is the 200 moving average. That's the TYX. Sorry if I didn't specify. That's TYX 30-year interest rate. That's the rates themselves. Yes. I think we should take the following. I had this as a 1-2-1-2, but the market is not coming. It's not going along with this wave count. I think we should scrap that. I left it on purpose to show you what consideration I had before and why I'm actually changing it. Because the market is not going along. If this is a 1-2-1-2, that shouldn't be around here for such a long time. So something is not right. I prefer now to work with this being 1. Yeah, I'm taking the run that began from here as having ended here. So this is my 1. Okay. So, you know, that's my priority wave count. I should really switch them, just to make it as clear as possible. Yeah, okay, let's leave that the way it is. That's 1. I could actually turn my 2 here into my priority wave count. You see, so that's 1, and that's 2. We had an A, we had an ABC. It's coming down. It's coming down. Bonds shot up. Stocks went down sharply on Friday, and I think we started descent that is likely to take it back to 270. Now let's be absolutely clear. This market breaks under 270, it's going down there. If it is possible, we are going into a major panic in the stock market. It breaks through 270, prepare for a slide under this low. That's sending the bonds way higher. Again, panic, people running for safe haven. That is your first signal that a major shuffling is going on here, that it'll go a lot lower. Otherwise, staying around here, especially delivering a nice 5 legs here and beginning to look up, this is the right wave count. We're going higher. Here, presenting you with some of the features of my website, and I do have a page on Twitter. You're welcome to join. I don't make intensive use of it, but it's a way of keeping in touch. It doesn't cost anything. It's free. I have written a few articles. You may like to take a look at them. I have here a testimonial from an active trader who's using my website right here on the front page. There are a few tabs here on the side that if you like, I threw in some of their philosophy and the motives behind setting up this website. I have here a section, what subscribers say, speaks for itself. I have an affiliate program. You don't have to be subscribed to join. If you're interested to get in touch with me, links to sample clips that takes you to past clips. I often try to update it every weekend. Gives you a sample of things that I've done in the past and in the recent past as well. And R.N. Elliott, that gives you access to a book, very, very interesting book if you are about practice and about getting things, you know, going deeper into learning about the Elliott waves principle. Go there and you will see a link to how to download a full-length book that I really recommend you read. Private policy terms of use, very standard. Why join? I spell out some of the arguments that I think can clarify how I can help, who I can help, etc. Subscribe here. I'll just go through this quickly. I basically have 3 options that you can choose from. the full product that is very intensive, directed at people who are using and following the markets every day. Costs €79 only for a month. I record every day, also on the weekend. My videos are very detailed, they're very helpful, really following all the markets, the major markets, and I can even follow markets that are of interest to you. If I have time, I will add them. I can't promise I'll do that on a daily basis, but I will definitely take a look if there is a specific market or situation that is of interest to you. Other than that, there is the option of the weekend video. Weekend video costs from 25. You can see it's available. The weekend videos are available from 25 per month. If you pay up front, it costs 25. I mean, pay up front for 6 months or so, it will cost you only 25. If you pay per month, it's 29. And that is really covering only the weekend videos. Yeah, it is aimed at people who do not have time to watch, intensively the market during the week, but nevertheless would like to have a comprehensive view of what happened and what is likely to happen. And I do cover the markets. I do a comprehensive video every weekend that gives a very good preparation for the coming week. And apart from that, of course, I've got the trial. Yes, as advertised on the front page. We'll see it again in a minute. You can just try out the service for $9.99. That gives you access to the daily videos, but just for 1 week. Okay, so you get access. You see 7 videos. You can check the archive. I normally leave about 1 month worth of videos on the archive, so you can check out the kind of things that I did in the past. You can pay for the service with PayPal. It's pretty straightforward. You go on the create account. I'll show you in a sec. If you have an account with PayPal, that should be no problem. I had an account with AlertPay. I still have it. If you happen to have an account with AlertPay, they actually changed their name, and I didn't have time to reflect it here. I think it's called Payza now. You can go ahead and try to pay with that. If that causes you any problem, if you have a problem, maybe the plugin needs modification, just get in touch with me. Other than that, I also have Money Bookers. If you have an account with Money Bookers, I would welcome you paying through Money Bookers. That should also not be a problem. If you don't have an account, it's also a good option. It gives access to a lot of, to people from a lot of countries. Also, Payza, AlertPay used to be AlertPay, yes. Payza now extended its coverage. It is accessing many, many countries. So that's something for you to consider. Let's go back to the home page. And I'll just continue to run down through here. We've got Contact Us, speaks for itself. Tell a friend. Why don't you give me a helping hand? If you like my service, if you like the videos, the clips, why don't you spread the word? Give me a hand. Downloads. That's where you can download charts that I put in the public area, and you can download as many as you want. That will give you an idea how detailed my work is and what sort of, which way we are going with my chart. Recommended reading list. Highly recommended. Really take a look. There are some links there to books that you can download, and I think you will find quite good stuff here. Frequently asked questions. Make sure you read this before you subscribe, because that will explain to you how to find the videos once you create an account, how to log in, etc. And then useful links, speaks for itself. Blank page, inconsequential. And that's where you open the account. You see, you just right here, create an account. In fact, that's the login. Once you get your login details, here you come up. It comes up with the sign up. You've got your Elliott Wave Practitioner. That's the weekend edition. You can have 6 months. Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition. That's a yearly subscription. And then Elliott Wave Practitioner Weekend Edition paid monthly. Okay, you make your choice. The prices are indicated here. Then Elliott Wave Practitioner, that's per month. Yes, every month. And that is the trial. You are allowed to take it once. It is not something you're going to take, on and off all the time. You just take it once. You sample, you see, try it out. Like it, don't like it, whatever. PayPal, Money Bookers, AlertPay. Choose which one suits you. and the rest is pretty straightforward. You go through that. You wait for you wait for the email from my system. You make sure you follow the instructions. I jump back to the page here to subscribe here, because there are a few email addresses that you are advised to look. This, for example, go through that. You need to whitelist that. Yes, you don't want to wait for my email from the system and it gets stuck in your junk mail, or it disappears, or because you didn't whitelist these addresses, you won't find it, and then you start with the left foot. So you whitelist these two addresses, you'll be on the right track. You get the email for my system. You verify your email address like this. You are sure you join my list, and that's how I keep in touch with you. Whenever I record a new video, I send you the link and I tell you I've just posted it, etc. Look, if you have any question on your mind, whatever, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help. I'm pretty sure my service can help you immensely to make a lot of progress, no matter which level you are. I've been doing it for many, many years, and I've seen a lot of things. You know, I've also experienced a lot of things in my own trading, and that's all. So I hope you enjoy the experience, and look forward to hear from you. Bye now.